Rubik's Cubes come in all different sizes. I have started off with a Megaminx, which is different hexagons. I have a 4x4, which is a 4x4 square Rubik's Cube. Then I have also a 2x2. Then I have many different, and also a Pyraminx, which is also the shape of a triangle. And then I have many different 3x3 Rubik's Cubes. One that's done with a Sudoku pattern, one that is a KU Jayhawks Rubik's Cube, and an older fashioned one that's kind of wearing down a little bit, and a miniature 3x3 cube. And today that's going to be the one we're going to focus on. Right here I have an unsolved Rubik's Cube, and there's different parts of the Rubik's Cube that you need to focus on. One is the middle or base piece. These pieces will never move. No matter how much you move this cube, that yellow piece will always stay in the exact same area. Another piece to know about is the corner pieces. There are different corner pieces on every side, and then there's also the middle pieces. So today I'm going to start out by solving one of the base pieces, which is going to be green. To get that, you're just going to have to line these green pieces up with the correct middle piece on the other side and get those green pieces so they line up perfectly. So to do this, I'm going to get this middle triangle, or this middle cross part done first. Once you get the middle cross part complete, it's time to work on the corner pieces. I then have the green corner pieces right here that I will begin to solve. So you're going to put those in with the coordinating areas again so that these all equal and make the right colors. I'm going to finish doing that with the other ones here and continue on with the next step. As we have this whole front side completed, I have all those correct there. I'm going to start working on this middle section right here. So to do that, I'm going to find pieces that are not blue, and I'm going to turn this. As you can see, green side is facing up top. I have a white line here with red on the bottom. So I'm going to turn it away from the red side, which is on this side. I'm going to turn the red side down, and I'm going to put the white piece back. Then I'm going to turn the green back up and fix the green piece so that it goes back in the spot. And as you can see, the red and white is now in the right spot. Do it again here. This is the orange. I have the line going down. It's yellow. This is the yellow side. So I'm going to turn it away from the yellow, turn the yellow down, put the orange piece back in the line, green pieces back up, and then replace that green little corner spot like we did in step one. So now I have the oranges in too. No more. Last one here. That to the bottom layer. I have a white part right here, and then it makes it down. It needs to go away from the orange, turn the orange side down, put the white piece back, and then I need to replace the green one more time. And then, as I said, just as you get smoother with it, it comes a little quicker and a little more natural until you get this whole middle and top section done. So now I'm going to focus on this top layer. And right here I have a little R, or a little right, like a little spot there. So I'm going to turn that to me. And then I'm going to do this following algorithm. I'm going to turn this up. I'm going to turn this up. And then you're going to fold back one, turn this part down, replace this green over here, and then move the green back to its area. So you always want to replace and make sure that these layers stay good the whole entire time. Now you can see I have a line on top. Now the line you're going to turn like this towards you, so it's like this when you're solving it, and you're going to do the exact same algorithm, the exact same one, until you get this right here of a little blue cross on the top. Now I have these orange and yellow pieces. I'm going to turn them two, so one's facing away from me and one's facing to the right of me, and I'm going to do this little step. It's up with the right, over 2 times, down with the right, back once, up once, back once, up or down once. And then I'm going to turn it until the sides add up again as the red and yellow. Then I'm going to turn the red and yellow to me. So I'm going to go up once, over twice, back one, up one, back one, up one. And then I'm going to have the orange and yellow opposite of me. I'm going to do it again until I can get the orange and white now. Turn those away from me until I get the orange and white to that side. And now I have all these oranges, all these whites, all these reds, and all these yellows. So now, as you see, the cross is still on top. I have to get the corner pieces in correctly. First step to that, I'm going to find this little orange and red piece, or the orange and red one that's actually already done. And I'm going to keep that on my right hand. And then I'm going to put the left side up, turn it once, turn the right side once, turn this back down, and turn this back over. And then we're going to just line those back up so they're all correct. And you have to do that until you get all the white pieces in the correct area. So now these two sides are already solved, which is always a plus. And now you're going to have these two right here. To get these two in, you're going to face them away from you. You're going to go upright 2 times. You're going to do that second step that we did earlier again. But then, after you're done with that, you're going to have to do the second one on the left side and do the exact same thing. And once you do that, you should have a completed Rubik's Cube. Thank you.